Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a rainbow circle on IbisPaint X. First, open the app and create a new canvas. Then, navigate to the ruler tool options and select the circle ruler. You can easily adjust its size and placement on your canvas to fit your design needs. This essential ruler will guide your rainbow creation process effectively. Now let's add some color. Pick the dip pen hard brush for clear, defined lines. Start with a bright red, carefully drawing along the circle ruler's edge. Then move through the rainbow spectrum: orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Take your time to ensure each color segment is distinct and vibrant, creating a beautiful gradient. To achieve that smooth rainbow effect, select the blur tool from your options. Gently apply it where your colors meet, blending them together seamlessly. You can easily adjust the blur strength to get just the right amount of softness. The goal is a truly seamless transition, making your rainbow circle look natural and vibrant. Once your rainbow circle is complete, remember to turn off the circle ruler from your tools. Now you can add any extra details or a background to make your artwork truly shine. Don't forget to save your masterpiece in your preferred format. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations for unique rainbow effects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.